afternoon, all purchasing partners. Now we would like to introduce our Dongfeng 4x2 6.3-ton truck-mounted crane. The vehicle is fitted with a black and white cab and an XC-MG lifting crane, featuring a neat and imposing appearance. It integrates cargo transportation and lifting functions in one unit. All vehicles are fully manufactured in standardized workshops. Every production stage is equipped with independent quality inspection procedures to adapt to various complex working road conditions overseas. If you need detailed information about the vehicle, please feel free to contact us at any time.